Bethleham Gate. We dragged our names through mud, mud on our cuffs, smoke in our hair, and a grin that meant no good. You said just one small spark, like that ever stay small. Dry leaves caught like gossip, and the whole dark tree line called. We ran from the first red tongue, thought we were kings of the burn, laughing with our pockets full of lessons we would not learn. Ashes at that gym, ashes at that gym. We were young morons running at the flame. Ashes at that gym, ashes at that gym. Now the woods remember every reckless name. The Discovery Center closed up, windows gone black and still. Moths hit the glass like warnings while we stood there against our will. Someone yelled for water, someone yelled for help. You kicked at the dirt like a child, trying to outrun yourself. And the smoke rolled low